Hello, I am Riff, your favorite Bulgarian mystery mix and proud shipsdog of the Willem Johannes. My day, it always starts the same. Mission, wake up the humans. Trust me, no snooze button survives me. Next, it's game time with my buddy Ott at the harbor. Who's the fastest this morning? Hint, it's always me, always me. I'm always the fastest. Suddenly, plot twist! I get to spend some time with my other humans, Bram and Rob. Spoiled much? Absolutely. Before we hit the road, I stretch it out, yes. The downward-facing dog, yep, I invented that move. Quick play session, and then we're off, me and Rob, all the way to England. Road trip. My main humans are seriously into boats. I mean, really seriously. Fine by me, playing, napping, living the good life at anchor. Just staring at birds in pure silence. And fewer people is a happier Riff. People are a bit scary, honestly. I think you're scary too. But when we hop into the little boat and head ashore, it's party time. I can run, I can swim, I can roll in the mud, I can chase birds. They're only never impressed. Did I mention I'm busy? I'm busy. I'm a very busy dog. Look now, I'm sneaking a look at some seals. I had a little bark and chat with them too. And then suddenly it's, let's go to London, say my humans. Long trip. They were super nervous. Me, less so. Too many people for my taste, but hey, I made a new friend, Pippa. Only bad news, I didn't feel too great that night. Then came the endless wobbly water, wobbling, 28 hours of rock and roll. Not my favorite, so I took turns napping with my humans until... Time to get muddy and wild again with Otje. Yep, being Riff is a full-time job. Now, let's see what's next. Anyone for Patch? Yes? Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and via sailingwillemjohannes.nl.